In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps. Food stamps is a federal program in the United States that provides monthly funds to help people who struggle to buy food due to financial difficulties. These funds are provided through an EBT card, which can be used to purchase food items. This program is only available to US citizens. To apply for food stamps, first open any browser on your system and type "Apply for food stamps" into the search box. Hit enter. Look for the official US government website, which should appear at the top. Click on the link and you will see the government site's interface. Scroll down the page until you find the Find Your SNAP Office option to apply. Click on it. Scroll down on this page to select your state. Then scroll down again and click on the Online Application option on the left side of your screen. Then click OK. The application process may vary depending on your state, since each state has its own food stamps program, also known as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP. There are two ways to apply. First, you can fill out a form and submit it to your local county welfare office, otherwise you can also apply online. To submit a physical application, click on Food Benefits option and a new tab will open. Here click on How do I apply for SNAP benefits? Download and print the benefits form, fill it out, and submit it to your local Human Services or county welfare office. To apply online, go back to the previous tab and click on Submit Now. To apply online, you must first create a user ID and password. Click Create a User ID and Password, then fill out your information exactly as it appears on your legal ID. Once you've done that, return to the previous page and enter your email address and password. Click Submit. After that, you will see an online form. The questions may differ depending on your state, but you'll generally be asked about your properties, vehicles, social security number, and medical expenses. After submitting your form, you will be contacted for an interview, which can be either over the phone or in person. During the interview, you'll need to verify the information you provided in the online form. Once everything is verified, an order for your EBT card will be placed. It typically takes 7 to 10 days for the card to arrive in your mailbox. Your monthly benefits will be added to the card, which you can then use to purchase food.